Hello everyone, and welcome to SWAMI Computers All-IT Solutions. If you love gaming but GTA 5 keeps crashing or lagging, then this video is for you. Today we will show you how to build a powerful budget gaming PC that can run GTA 5 smoothly without spending a huge amount of money. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Many gamers think they need a very expensive gaming computer to enjoy GTA 5. But the truth is, smart hardware selection matters more than expensive hardware. Today, we are building a budget gaming setup using a refurbished motherboard and a high-frequency processor. This combination helps reduce lag, improve stability, and deliver smooth gameplay. Let's take a look at the components used in this gaming PC build. A high-frequency processor, which delivers fast performance for gaming and multitasking. A refurbished motherboard, which is fully tested and works perfectly with our processor. We are using 16GB DDR4 RAM, which is perfect for gaming and ensures smooth gameplay. A fast SSD drive helps games load faster and improves overall system performance. For gaming performance, we installed a dedicated graphics card that handles GTA 5 smoothly. A reliable SMPS power supply ensures stable power for all components. A modern gaming cabinet with good airflow keeps the system cool during heavy gaming. Now let's assemble our gaming PC. First, we install the processor on the motherboard carefully. Next, we install the RAM modules. After that, we mount the motherboard inside the cabinet. Now we connect the SSD and power supply cables. Finally, we install the graphics card. Which is the most important part for gaming performance. Once everything is connected, the system is ready to power on. Now comes the exciting part, gaming performance test. We installed GTA 5 and tested the gameplay. The result is smooth gameplay, stable performance, and no crashing issues. The game runs perfectly with good graphics settings and stable FPS. This proves that you don't need a very expensive PC to enjoy gaming. A smart budget build can deliver great performance. If you want a budget gaming PC, refurbished computer, old laptop, networking solution, or CCTV installation, you can contact us. Visit our shop, SWAMI Computers, Naidan Mandi, New General Market, Hanumangar Town. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, SWAMI Computers. Like this video and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.